Parenting is one of the most rewarding experiences in life, but it can also feel overwhelming, especially in those early months. Between sleepless nights, endless diaper changes, and figuring out what your baby needs, it's easy to feel like you're constantly playing catch-up. That's why today, I'm sharing 13 essential hacks for baby bliss. Simple, practical tips that will make life smoother, reduce stress, and help you enjoy more of those precious moments with your little one. Whether you're a first-time parent or already juggling multiple kids, these hacks are designed to bring ease and joy into your daily routine. So, grab your notebook and let's jump in. 1. Build a support circle. Parenting is not meant to be done alone. Whether it's family, friends, or a local parenting group, having a support circle makes a huge difference. These connections provide practical help, emotional encouragement, and shared wisdom. Even something as simple as a friend watching the baby for an hour can give you time to recharge. Surrounding yourself with supportive people ensures you have the strength and perspective to enjoy the parenting journey. 2. Create a peaceful sleep routine. Babies thrive on consistency, and one of the best ways to encourage healthy sleep is by establishing a predictable bedtime routine. This might include dimming the lights, playing soft music, giving your baby a warm bath, and ending with a bedtime story. When you repeat the same steps each night, your baby begins to recognize the signals that it's time to rest. Over time, this routine helps them settle more quickly and sleep more soundly, giving you a much-needed break too. 3. The night shift snack station hack. Picture this. It's 3 a.m. You're half asleep, baby's crying, and you're looking for wipes or a bottle. Here's how to fix that. Create a night shift snack station. Set up a small basket or tray next to your bed stocked with the essentials. Diapers, wipes, burp cloths, bottles, water, and a few easy healthy snacks for you. Because yes, parents need fuel too. Throw in a dim nightlight, not the big overhead light that blinds you and fully wakes the baby. A soft, warm glow keeps things calm and cozy. Bonus tip, keep everything in the same spot every night. You'll be amazed how much easier nighttime care gets when you're not playing hide and seek with a pacifier at 3 a.m. 4. Prep meals ahead for yourself. Parents often forget to take care of themselves, but your well-being directly impacts your baby's environment. Preparing meals ahead of time, whether batch cooking or keeping healthy snacks on hand, ensures you stay nourished and energized. When you're less stressed and more balanced, your baby benefits from a calmer, more attentive parent. Think of this hack as self-care that doubles as baby care. 5. The zip it or quit it pajama rule. This one might just save your sanity. You see, baby pajamas come in two types, the snap-up and the beautiful, blessed zip-up kind. At 2 a.m., when you're changing diapers in the dark, the last thing you want is to line up 100 tiny snaps while your baby wiggles like a worm. Zip-up pajamas are your new religion. One zip, done. No misaligned buttons, no frustration, and no trying to match snaps like a sleep-deprived detective. Extra pro tip, go for double zip onesies. They zip from the top and bottom, so you can do quick diaper changes without fully undressing your baby. It's efficiency, comfort, and parental sanity all in one zipper. 6. Swaddle with confidence. Swaddling is a tried-and-true method for calming newborns. By wrapping your baby snugly in a blanket, you mimic the secure feeling of the womb, which reduces fussiness and helps them sleep longer stretches. The key is to swaddle firmly but safely, leaving room for the hips to move. Once you get the hang of it, swaddling becomes a comforting ritual that can transform restless nights into peaceful ones. 7. Make playtime gentle and engaging. Playtime isn't just fun. It's essential for your baby's development. Simple activities like singing, gentle tickling, or showing colorful toys stimulate their senses and build trust. Narrating what you're doing or talking to your baby during play also helps with language development. These small moments of interaction strengthen your bond and encourage curiosity and joy. 8. The diaper wipe warmer alternative. Let's be honest, babies have opinions, strong ones, and one of them is that cold wipes are pure evil. Cold wipes are shockingly jolting to a baby at 3 a.m. You can buy an expensive wipe warmer or use the budget-friendly hack. Warm the wipe yourself. Here's how. Before changing your baby, take a wipe and hold it between your hands for a few seconds. Or keep a thermos of warm water near the changing table. A quick dab makes a cold wipe instantly more comfortable, leading to less protest. Warm wipes equals peaceful diaper changes equals fewer tears for both of you. If you don't want a full wipe warmer. 9. The diaper genie on a budget. You don't need a fancy diaper disposal system to keep your house from smelling like, well, diapers. Here's the hack. Grab a roll of dog poop bags from the dollar store. Yup, those little blue ones. Keep them near your diaper station and use one for each stinky diaper. Tie it up tight. Toss it in the trash. No lingering smell. No expensive gadget. They're cheap, portable, and perfect for on-the-go diaper changes too. Keep a few in your diaper bag or car. 10. Try baby wearing. Baby wearing is a wonderful way to keep your little one close while freeing up your hands. Using a wrap, sling, or carrier, you can move through your day while your baby enjoys the comfort of being near you. This closeness promotes bonding, reduces crying, and allows you to multitask more easily. It's especially helpful for parents who want to balance caring for their baby with managing household tasks. 11. The car survival kit. Every parent learns this the hard way. Babies wait until you're far from home to have a blowout, spit-up attack, or meltdown. That's why you need a car survival kit, your portable emergency rescue plan. Here's what to pack. 3 diapers, a small pack of wipes, a change of clothes for baby and for you, a towel or burp cloth, a few disposable bags for dirty clothes. Prepared parents are confident parents, and this simple kit will make you feel ready for anything your little human throws at you. 12. Try baby massage. A gentle massage after bath time can work wonders for your baby. Using soft, rhythmic strokes, you can help them relax, improve digestion, and even ease colic symptoms. Beyond the physical benefits, massage is a powerful bonding tool. Your baby learns to associate your touch with comfort and security, making this a soothing ritual for both of you. 13. The onesie magic trick. Baby blowouts. The rite of passage no one warned you about. You pick up your sweet angel, and suddenly, surprise. Here's the genius part. Those funny little envelope folds on baby onesies? They're not just for looks. They're designed so the onesie can be rolled down over your baby's shoulders and body instead of pulling it up over their head. This means you can avoid the dreaded poop up the back and in the hair situation. You'll thank this hack the next time this happens. So next time your baby goes full volcano mode, just remember, down, not up. No more poop shampoo. No more panic. Just a calm, collected parent who knows the secret handshake of baby clothing. So these are 13 simple hacks that can transform chaos into calm and exhaustion into baby bliss. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to The Flourishing Parent, and tell me in the comments, which hack are you most excited to try? Or better yet, what's your funniest or most chaotic parenting moment so far? Let's laugh, learn, and grow together. You've got this. You're not just surviving parenthood, you're flourishing.